Hey, so it is Angie from WhippedGreenGirl.com, and I'm also the proud owner of Fair Skin Media. We are a PR team of media mavericks that help you go viral. So that's what we do. We are social media ninjas all day long. And anyone who wants to become a PR, just like a little side note, just want to let you know that you're going to work 24/7. There's never a break for anyone who works in social media because it is 24/7, right? So something I came to the conclusion of after. But that fact aside, I'm going to be talking today about Pinterest again because Pinterest is one of those things that I'm just really flippin' freaking good at. To the point where Pinterest have even contacted me personally. I am in touch with them. I talk to them. I own a blogger board that has over 1 million pins on it. And if you know anything about Pinterest, group boards is a big deal. So I'm the owner of several really big group boards. That's what you really want on Pinterest. Yada, yada, yada. But today, really specifically, we're going to be talking about why every company needs to be on Pinterest. Seriously, if you're not on Pinterest, you're missing out. There's just no other fact to it. If you break it down, you drill it down, look at the social media that there is right now. So there's Facebook, right? So people go on Facebook, they post pictures of like going on the beach and what they did with their like husbands last week and their kids and what's exciting and what's going on in their lives, yada, 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 boring, boring, boring. But, sorry, I'm not a fan of Facebook. Can you tell? But, I mean, really, like, that aside, Facebook is the past. Then, Twitter. Twitter's where you go if something's happening in that moment. It's like usually political or it could be something in the news. That's what I use Twitter for personally, and usually it's like to bitch and moan because that's what I see a lot on Twitter too. And Instagram is obviously beautiful pictures and things about your life and blah 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 blah, art. But Pinterest, folks, companies, Pinterest is where people go to shop. It's where they go to plan for the future. So it's where they're going to look for things that they want to maybe get, that they want to try, that they're looking to research. Pinterest is like a treasure trove for any company to advertise their stuff on 24/7. A pin, like listen to this. It has the life of like lifespan of years on it. Literally, if you pin a pin today, usually a sale will actually happen 3.5 months later. 50% of sales on Pinterest based on a pin happen 3 months after the pin even was pinned. So it's just like this advertising platform that keeps giving and giving and giving, and your products will just keep selling and selling and selling on there from one pin that you did maybe even years ago. I know for my blog, I pinned some articles literally 5 years ago, and I still to this day get at least 50 hits minimum from Pinterest from those posts alone. So again, Pinterest is like a fine wine. It simmers with time and it just keeps giving. That's why it's way better to be on Pinterest than to be on, as a company, let's say, than Twitter or something, because on Twitter your tweet's gonna happen, it's done, it's like a fart in the wind, everyone forgets about it, right? Next. Instagram too, it's really hard to stay relevant on there, you get lost in all the hashtags. But on Pinterest, if you really get like the sizing of pins right, the colors of pins right, and you pin properly and you pin consistently, man, I'm telling you, your pins will just keep giving and giving and giving for years to come. Now, Pinterest though, one big deal this year is that it actually beat out Facebook as the #1 e-commerce website in the world, meaning that Pinterest sells more than any other social media platform. Truly. So it's the fastest growing social media site in history too. People just love Pinterest, and when they join it, they eat it up. I'm addicted to it myself. I cannot get enough of that platform. They have a 400% sales growth month over month. So that means that sales are booming too on Pinterest, people. If you pin, your pin's like an ad. It's just going to keep going and pinning, and people are going to keep looking at it and saying, I tried it, and it's just amazing. And 70% of people logged into Pinterest, when they log in, their intention is to buy. That is what they're going on there to do. Can you ask for anything better than that as a company, truly, when it comes to social media? And the average revenue from a sale on Pinterest is $140. Seriously, that's double what you can expect on Facebook. And guess what? A pin is free. It's free. You just have to do the right pins. You can create a pin and add it to Pinterest by saying create pin. It's that easy. You create the image for it. You specify the link for it. You specify the directions it's not a recipe. You specify the description for it, the hashtags in it. You have all the control over it, and it's all done for free. Then when you really start to get good on Pinterest and you start pinning properly, you'll notice that you start getting invited to group boards. Yeah, that's magic. That's going to be it for another video. You need to get on group boards because then you're going to piggyback off of those people's followers if you don't have that many. And you're going to get a crap load of sales out of it. So I think that every company should be on Pinterest. I think that the two really relevant social medias that are happening right now for any company as far as what's going on with Fair-Skinned Media that I try to gear, you should always put your attention to two platforms because doing any more, you're going to get lost in it, but really put all of your time, energy, sweat into two of them and you're going to see some differences. And right now what's really working seems to be Instagram and Pinterest, of course. But no, seriously, Facebook, guys, it's like dying out. I hate to say it. I think that Facebook is going to see its demise very soon. I think that Instagram and Pinterest is going to really take over. YouTube is really obviously doing great too. It's turning kind of into a almost social media search platform now too. So I think that every company should be also looking into maybe, toying around on YouTube. But all that to say, you need to be on Pinterest. You really need to be on Pinterest if you're a company. You have to. You have to sign up. You have to learn how it works. You have to start pinning, and you have to do it right. And if you do, you're going to get a crap load of sales from it once again, like I said. So thank you for watching this video. Go check out Fair-Skinned Media. If you want to get some crazy results on Pinterest, trust me, in under 3 months, I was able to get one of our clients from 1,000 measly monthly views to over 650,000 monthly views. And that's just by pinning. No advertising, no nothing. That is from me going in organically and pinning out. That's what Pinterest does. And these pins are just going to keep giving for this person for years and years to come. If I were to stop pinning for her today, she would still get traffic from it from 5 years from now. That is why you need to be on Pinterest. So thanks again for watching this video. Go to Fair-Skinned Media. If you can't figure out Pinterest, we'll do it for you. Just contact us. Thanks. Bye.